Payback tags, yeah. Running out of gas, yeah. Made a bitch fall in love, yeah. Doing the.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. This time we showing y'all a hot take on my guy Ride. And let's get into it. I hope y'all been having a great day. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you think the haircut came out. Like the video if you like how the haircut came out itself. And what we're doing right now is just pretty much putting up any hair that is overlapping. Now when you do this process, do it as a whole, because throughout the haircut I kept like doing it like in certain sections so I could work on what area that I'm working on. So now we're debulking the area that I'm tapering. It's been like, he said since, I haven't been to that well, since December, so it's now April, my nigga. This, bro, he waited 4 months. Go ahead and get into this paper now. I modified my trimmers so they hit even better now. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, as you see how they hit right now. Like it's hitting, but this the ball guideline that you go in with. And then lever open. I ain't gonna lie, I done created a new method. I now go one guard close, middle, and then open. It for some reason I have better blends that way. On my tapers and fades, on both of them actually. But yeah, this is a new method that I didn't know, but this is actually like Get Beams method, if I'm not mistaken. If I discredited him, then by all means, it's nothing harmful. But yeah, I figured out that he does this method as well. Also, I'm just going in with one open now. It's not really a complicated process. I have the words going for y'all down below, so y'all can just pretty much follow those. Also make sure you brushing throughout the whole time too. I ain't gonna lie, low-key just making the videos for y'all. I ain't gonna lie, this came out real nice, and I love the support that y'all done showed me with just a short, bro. We had like 3,000 views on it. So keep running that up, keep liking that video. And one thing I need y'all to do more is comment. I need y'all to comment. But we hit 100 likes. Let's hit 100 subscribers as well then. You know what I'm saying? I last checked it was like 80 or 77, something like that. But yeah, go ahead and get me to 100, big fella. Go on, get me to 100. Big honey. Alright. But yeah, we on the back taper now. I ain't gonna lie. The back taper, it did take me a good minute to do because it's been a minute since I cut his hair. As y'all know, 4 months. Because we're going in with that ball guideline. Just simply flick out, ball underneath it. Now, right here, I forgot to do this on the side taper. After I get done with this, the foil shaver. If you have a foil shaver, then please use it because it'll help your transitions better and it'll make the haircut last longer as well. Now we're going in lever open. Now this process is very simple, and for me, I don't know, it's just fun. I just like that, man. I don't know about y'all, but I like it. It relaxes me, big fella. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now we're going one guard close to middle to open. Now in this step, you're gonna create 3 visible guidelines in your head, even though no hair is cut. Yes, I know that probably sounds impossible, but yes, you can do it, big fella. But yeah, this process, this is literally what creates the blend. Like I ain't gonna lie, now I like value the one guard more now than I do like any other guard. That with one guard, that's a lot of detail with that one guard. It's a lot. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Now we're going in one guard halfway to close. That's like when you fade it down, but when you fading up, you go close, middle, open. That's how you do that. When fading down, it goes open, middle way, I'm just going pretty much detailing towards the top so I can get the blend transitioning better. Then down at the bottom, you see like a little hair. I'ma clean that up with the I'ma clean that up later on. We close to it, so but yeah, this came out. Man, this came out nice. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Alright, let me stop talking. I've been talking for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna leave y'all be. Final tip, but I am going to instruct y'all on this one. I will. Now, what we just did, we just debugged pretty much, and then you flip it over and go from there. Now we're going to go in with our ball guide line. You set this line in as a straight. Now, I set mine in if it's like a low or mid taper. I set the line in differently. This is how you set it in for a high taper. This is how you set it in for a high taper. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, I be forgetting my full shape when I cut, so that's why you see me just immediately go lever open. I be forgetting about my full shape, but I know I probably got mine lower than y'all, but I be forgetting I have it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Now we're going in one guard closed. You go up like a small inch, probably like half your fingers width, and then just like do those 3 lines, and then when you go up with the 1.5, it's still another 3 lines because, you know, closed, halfway, open. So you pretty much putting in lines and taking them out. That's really what barbering is when it comes to a haircut. It's just based on how good you are at doing it. That's pretty much it. That's the discrepancy on how good you can do a haircut. Is how good you can set the lines in and how good can you take them out. It's like drawing something, then erasing it, and then you get a blend. That's pretty much it. That's how I think of it. I don't know how anyone else thinks of it, to be honest. That's just my opinion on it, though. Now, I love it. I love it. Now we're going lever closed, middle open. It's a simple process. Now, you're not gonna get this on the first try. I'm gonna be real with you, because I didn't. I literally had to start practicing on other people to be better, and on myself. But then again, when I was just practicing on myself, I didn't have as many hair types to practice on as I do now, because I was just literally practicing on myself. So it was just me, like for 6 years, literally. So if you have friends that you can cut, try to cut their hair. Because that will help you progress faster. I'm not gonna lie to you. When you cut other people's hair, well, that was my experience. I don't know about y'all, but for me, cutting other people's hair, it helped me grow so much in barbering. But right here, we just simply lining up his nape area, and then I think, yeah, after this one, we on to that main lineup, y'all. After this one, we on to the main lineup. If I'm not mistaken, though. If I'm not mistaken. Alright, y'all. But yeah, this is how you do the whole process. Just literally look at the words. If you have to type it or write it down, please do so. And just follow those. Now, I will say this. There are multiple systems that you can follow so you can cut hair. So mine isn't the only one that will probably work for you. You can try various ones. I got mine from 360 Jeezy and I switched it up because why? I got tired of doing the same thing and a nigga wanted to try something new. I'm be real with you. That's all it was to it. And I tried that. I ain't gonna lie, I tried that on a client and I finished bro haircut in 30 minutes. That's because he had a fade though. But yeah, that's also one thing I did learn about this system. It's a time saver. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually a time saver. This system is actually a time saver for me. I don't know about y'all, but this is one for me. I keep talking about preference, open preference, but that's how I am. I'm an open-minded person though, so yeah. Man, I ain't gonna lie, this lineup was so nice. We just pretty much prepping right now. What I do is I get alcohol, fold my little napkin, spray it on the napkin. Then as you see here, wiping on my client's forehead to get all that, grease, oil, anything like dirt or anything trapped up out of there so it can free that hair up so it can lay down properly. Now, what I do is after I do the alcohol, I comb or brush it down a little bit and then I go, see, like this, parting, like all that. I shouldn't have to do that. That should have been something I did at the beginning of the haircut instead of throughout the haircut. But here, we just, brush over a little bit. I go over it again, why I don't know. But I did it just to make sure that that's at the 1 guard length because that's what I use. I was trying to reach for my trimmer right here, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Cause I was trying to do something cool and then just simply start lining them up. Now what you do for lineups, you line them up in the middle. You start in the middle. Now if your person has light corners like mine, then keep that line low. And then if your client wants enhancements like mine does, he did get enhancements for this cut. I'll be real with y'all. And he loved the cut absolutely after it. I should have recorded that. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry about my big back, y'all. See, I'm trying to get my boy right. See, okay, I'm not the camera. But I was, I was just trying to get the man right so we can go and get that line up crispy for him. But yeah, my bad about the back being in the camera. I apologize to everybody. But now we're going in with the enhancements. Just the spray though. Just the spray. Now, as you see, my bad, cover my mouth. But as you see though now, that blend, bro. Nigga, that blend is fresh. But yeah, these I know probably some people I'll probably get some hate about it, but yeah, this is how we looking with just this spray. Now we're going in with our fibers. Now the fibers to give that more dry look, that more real natural. But yeah, this is how it looks though. Sorry, I just got an email about my package. I ain't gonna lie, Loki just made me mad. Dang, package coming. It's okay though. But yeah, we're coming in with our fibers, and this is really gonna help bring together my guy's look that he's going for. I just went over a little bit, darken it up. A little spiffy. But now we're going in with our razor and just pretty much lock all this in. It's pretty much all you do when you lock raising someone up. And also, if you're not that experienced, don't use the razor. But as you get better, like with your liners and stuff, like this is what I did though. I got better like lining up, and then I started using the razor to make that lineup pop even more. And also try pencil as well. Like when you get better and stuff, like when you get towards more enhanced, like when you get towards enhancements and stuff, bro. Whole different ball game. I swear to God. But yeah, this is how this video came out, bro. And this is our before my nigga came in looking dreadful. I mean, we know he literally has freeform dreads, but this is the after though. My nigga leaving clean as a whistle, toot toot to his train. No diddy. Alright, y'all, peace out.
Payback tags, yeah. Run out of gas, yeah. Made a bitch fall in love, yeah. Doing the